Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken with carrot and capsicum. The ingredients that we require to prepare this chicken is I have taken 250-gram boneless chicken. I have cut them into small pieces. I have taken 2 carrots. I have cut them into long slices. I have taken 1 capsicum, medium size. I have cubed 2 small onions, and this is ginger and garlic chopped. 5 cloves of garlic and 1-inch ginger chopped together. Here I'll be using sugar a little bit. This is soya sauce, the light one. This is corn flour. This is salt. Apart from all this, I'm going to use oil and water for cooking. So now let's start cooking. So we are going to start cooking now. The first step for this recipe is we are going to boil little water and we'll boil these vegetables, carrot and capsicum. So now let's wait till the water boils. Now by the time the water boils, we are going to marinate this chicken. We'll add first the soya sauce, 2 teaspoons soya sauce, we're going to add the corn flour, 1 teaspoon corn flour, little sugar, and we are going to mix it. We'll keep this chicken aside, and as we can see, the water has already boiled. Reduced the flame and added the vegetables. Now we have increased it. Now we'll cook this for some time till the vegetables are half cooked. Now vegetables are half cooked. It should not be completely cooked. The crispness of this recipe won't come. So it's half cooked. We remove it in a separate bowl. Take this water and we pour little in the vegetable and keep it, and half we have thrown it away. Now we will heat little oil. As the oil gets heated, we are going to add the chopped ginger and garlic. After stirring it for a while, as you can see, when it becomes a little golden in color, we are adding the cubed onions. We add the marinated chicken. We stir it for a while. Once the chicken becomes a little tender and the onion becomes transparent, we are going to add the boiled vegetables along with the water. We'll add the salt. Remember, when you're adding the salt, that we have already added little soya sauce in the chicken, so be careful while adding the salt. Mix it. We'll cover and cook for some time. Now we'll open and we'll check whether it's done or not. Vegetables are cooked or not. It's done. Let's cook for 2 more minutes. So now it's done. We will take it out in a different bowl. Here, our chicken with capsicum and carrot is ready. Healthy and tasty. I hope you liked my recipe. For more of my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. And click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.